So hello and welcome back editors. Today I will show you how to create a 4K CC like Maven edits or Riser edits. So a lot of you guys are asking me for this tutorial. So now I am here with the tutorial. So without any wasting time, firstly let's see the preview. Firstly import your clip. I personally recommend to import your Topaz version clip for the 4K color correction. If you do not import your Topaz enhanced clip, then you won't be able to get a 4K quality as well. Firstly, import your file, then press new and create an adjustment layer. As you can see, guys, this is Topaz enhanced clip. Once you create the adjustment layer, simply add S_sharpen effect to the adjustment layer. Once you add the S_sharpen, put the sharp aim up to 0.630 and small distance size up to 5. Then add another effect called looks. Once you add the looks effect, then go to edits. Once the look effects are open, now you can see the quality looks nice for adding S_sharpen. Then add optical diffusion as well. Then add clarity and then add LUT, and here you select what I did. Then add clarity up to 25. Then set the optical diffusion amount up to 50. Then here keep the strength of LUT under 60%. Once you do this, go to spotlight, then put the center X value up to 6.3 minus 6.3. Once you do that, now as you can see, our quality looks very nice. Then close this effect, looks, and close the looks effect. Then add another looks. Then go to edit. Then go to edge softness. Then go to Colostria. Then add haze layer. And then add to strip process. Firstly, adjust this edge softness effect like I did. Simply copy me. Then put the haze flare strength up to 40% and color up to shadows up to orange, but don't add too much. And go to the strength and up to 50%. Now put the green sensitivity amount up to 100 and strength up to 50%. Then press OK. And now our 4K color correction is ready, as you can see. Now add another effect called deep glow. Then add brightness and contrast. Then add S_glow. Then add curves effect. Once you add these effects, then add BCC, unsharp mask effect. Then put the amount up to 15, radius amount to 15, and amount up to 9%. Then set the brightness amount up to 8 and contrast up to 5. And put the S_glow amount up to glowing amount up to 440. Now we'll see the deep glow. Put the amount up to 0.1. Then go to the curves and follow my curve. Then add another effect called CC vignette. Put the amount up to 50. And angle of view is in the center. Make sure it is in the center. Adjust the haze glare effect. As you can see, it not looks nice. Put the softness amount up to 100% of the haze glare effect, and spillage effect up to 90%. Then press OK. And now as you can see, the best color correction is ready. Now as you can see, a huge difference for before and after. This is before and this is after. So that's it for today's guys. If you want the exact same color correction this as a preset, then I will provide the link in the description after 20 likes. See you in the next video with another tutorial. Bye.